So I've got my Bluetooth sleep mask here. When you do receive it, it does come with a little storage bag to go ahead and put everything in there along with your charging cord here. This does have a runtime around 15 plus hours, and it takes right around 2 hours to charge. So this is Bluetooth. So right here, when you first turn that on and power it up, if you look in your smart device, you're going to see under Bluetooth, MUSICOZY. You're just going to click on that, and then it's going to connect right away. You can increase or decrease the volume. The speakers are actually located right here. So when you wrap that around your head, it's right up against your ears and it doesn't feel uncomfortable at all. What I like about this is that if I'm wearing a sleep mask and I want to hear some music, I have to wear headphones or some ear pods, and that does not feel comfortable. This definitely does. This is all really nice and soft. This is all cotton, and this is washable too. So you've got your internal parts here located right here with this wire. You've got little openings, one on each side. You can actually pull these out and go ahead and put this in the washing machine and then put the parts right back in. Of course, this is where we're going to go ahead and charge it. Now you'll notice right here we also have 3D eye masks. So your eyes are going to sit in here and your nose as well. And this foam is going around your eyes, so it definitely keeps all the light out, which I really like. I like using this when I'm taking a nap in the afternoon or if I'm on an airplane. It just helps keep out any sound and the light. Of course, we do have some Velcro here on the back here. So when you do put it on, we're just going to put in just like this. And honestly, I cannot see anything. It is pitch dark. And then with the speakers, they are right here, right on top of my ear, which I really like that. So it's a great mask. It's very comfortable. I love that it does have built-in speakers and Bluetooth. Hope you found this helpful.